2018 Dodge Challenger 6.4 liter RT Scat Pack Shaker Edition. Got that custom hood in the front, got a custom intake on it. Really nice car, as you guys can see. That military green I like. You guys know that already. I like every car. Got factory converters there and there. Got 3-inch pipe, then 3-inch factory X pipe. Then what we did is put 3-inch or 2.5 actually, instead of the resonators or the mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them. We deleted those. It gives it a little bit more deeper tone when you put 2.5 in there. It's got the factory valves there and there. Then we left the rears the same. He didn't want it too loud. He was watching our videos and he says, I want that. I don't want it too loud. So there's the factory mids that we cut off right there and replaced them with pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Just picked this car up yesterday, guys, by the way. You can still see the drive-out tag. He went to Indiana to get it. Go ahead. Ah, it's so much better. They never disappoint. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa. Again? Music to my ears. Again? Look at that. It just hit me. It just hit 115. That sounds sexy. I love the shaker on it, man. The shaker gets in more air, so it makes it louder. Go ahead and back it out. There's the idle on it. Not bad at all. That sounds good. That sounds damn good. Again. Woohoo! Let you guys hear on the inside.
It's to a per HEMI.
Woohoo! Did it change it? Yeah. Got a nice idle to it too, guys. You hear it? Look at the idle. I see a little bit.